Hi friends, today I will share how to cook roll cabbage. First, let's boil some water. There are two ways how to prepare the cabbage leaves. How to cut the leaves. First, cut the leaves to separate them from the head. Like this. You have to be very careful when separating the leaves. Separate the leaves one by one, like this. And then cut the thick part of the stem, like this, okay? And another way is to cut the core, the thick part. Cut it off like this. This one. Now, how to cook the leaves. When the water boils, simply cook each leaves for 2 minutes. Just be careful not to overcook the cabbage. And then set aside. Another way to prepare is to simply put the bottom of the cabbage and boil it for a minute or two. Now flip the head carefully like this. Be careful because it's very hot, okay? You have to separate the leaves again one by one like this. At first, this one looks very difficult to make, but once you get used to it, it's very easy, okay? Take the cabbage from the water. How to prepare the fillings. We need 1 stick of spring onion. Cut it. Now let's mix the minced pork and the spring onion. Dash some salt and pepper to taste. And simply mix everything. Mix everything properly for about 5 minutes. Mixing it properly will give you a tasty flavor, so this is important, okay? Now, make sure to cut the thick part of the stem on each leaves. Like this. Now, this is the easy part. We are simply going to put 1 scoop of minced meat and roll the leaf folding each side. Securing the fillings by sticking a spaghetti into the rolled cabbage. Like this, okay? Boil 1.5 milliliter of water. Place the rolled cabbage in the pot. Cut 1 onion into 4 and just simply put it. Add 2 bay leaves. Add 3 to 4 consomme cubes, or bouillon is also okay. Now dash off salt and pepper if you wish. Hi friends, I'm Kitin. I usually share Japanese recipe and food I learned throughout the years of living in Japan. So if you find this video useful, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.